In this video, we will be replacing the D1S HID low beam headlights in this 2011 Mercedes-Benz ML350 with all new LED HID replacement bulbs from Ayla Lighting. There are no tools needed for this installation. The low beam headlights are here on the outside of the car. We will start under the hood on the passenger side. Access to the low beams are here. Start by removing the dust cover. Turn the cover counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. You can now access the HID headlight. Turn the back of the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it straight out. Pay attention to the orientation when you pull it out. This will help when you install the LED. To unplug the wire connector, push down on the metal tab here on the side and pull the connector off the bulb. Next, you'll need to remove the plastic adapter ring. Push down on this tab on the top and the adapter ring will open. Now that we have it out, let's compare this HID to the LED replacement we'll be installing. You can see that this bulb has the same shape and design as the HID. Along with the matching plugs, this is truly a plug-and-play replacement for the HID. The LED also has the LED chips in the same position as the HID filament, ensuring a clean and safe light beam. Start installing the LED by first installing the plastic adapter ring you had taken off the HID bulb. You will see the notch here at the top will line up with the tab on the ring. Close the adapter ring until it locks in place. These 4 hooks will lock the bulb in place. Now plug in the wire connector. It will only plug in one way, so if it doesn't fit, turn the plug 180 degrees and try again. Now you can install the LED. With the top of the ring at the 10 o'clock position, push the bulb into the housing. You may have to wiggle it a bit to get it in place. Grab the back of the LED bulb and turn it clockwise to lock it in. When installed correctly, the LED chips will face out to the left and right. And the wire out the back will hang down at the 6 o'clock position. We recommend testing it now before putting it all back together. It all works, so we'll move ahead and put it all back together. Feed the cable and the LED driver into the housing. There is plenty of room for it all to fit around the top and sides of the bulb. Now replace the dust cover and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Now we will follow the same steps for the driver's side. Begin by removing the dust cover by turning it counterclockwise. Unlock the HID bulb by turning the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. Unplug the wire connector by pushing down on the metal tab on the side and pull it off the bulb. Remove the plastic adapter ring, push down on the little tab on the top, and the ring will open. Install the LED by first installing the plastic adapter ring you just removed from the HID bulb. Being sure you line up the notches with the tabs, close the ring until it locks closed. Plug in the wire connector to the LED. Line up the top of the bulb at the 10 o'clock position and push the bulb into the housing. Turn the back of the bulb clockwise to lock it in. Feed the extra cables and driver into the housing and replace the dust cover. Turn the cover clockwise to lock it. And that's it for the install. Let's test the lights to see how they're working. They look great, and if we turn them on and check the dashboard, there are no error codes and the headlight out warning is gone. We will also check the cutoff line to be sure that they are installed correctly. The line is sharp and these bulbs are safe. This was a simple installation, and the results are amazing.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.